Okay, beta, we are going to start one new topic, and new topic is new partners capital not given. Okay, so then what system we are going to apply if the new partner capital is not given? First, we are going to calculate the exact capital or actual capital of old partners, and then on the basis of these old partner, we are going to calculate new partner capital. So first, we are going to make the revaluation account. Okay, beta, let's start to making the revaluation account. Aniket, first head is what now?
So plant and machinery to be reduced by 10%.
Plant and machinery reduced by 10%. Reduce means which side? Debit side? Plant and machinery, debit side 10%. Value of plant and machinery, beta?
80,000.
80,000. 80,000, 10%?
8,000.
8,000. Okay, then next is
Stock to be increased by 3,000.
stock to be increased by 3,000. By increase means profit, then this side, credit side,
Credit side.
3,000. Then next,
Bad debt provision was to be credited at 5%.
bad debts provision of 5%, just on debtor. We are going to calculate that bad debts provision on debtors. And debtor amount, beta?
60,000.
60,000. 5% of 60,000 is?
Yes.
Next,
Accrued income not appearing in the book 900.
not appearing. Income is coming then this side.
Credit side.
Credit side, 900. Anything else?
Yes, sir. Prem was to introduce 20,000 as premium for goodwill for
It's not
1/3
related with
share.
the revaluation account, beta. ठीक है? Okay. It's not related with the revaluation account. Okay. Then we are going to close this account. This side and here. Then loss will come. $7,100. Name and fame. Okay, beta.
Yes.
7,100. And then divide this amount in name and fame. And name and fame ratio is 3:2. Name and fame ratio is 3:2. Okay, beta. Just divide this amount in 3:2. Divide this amount is 3:2. What amount is name? Like that. 71,000 into 3/5. 71,000 into 2/5. So beta, on this page, what amount will come? Right like that. 1 time, 2, 4 time, 2. Okay, it means 2, 4, 8, 2, 2, 6.
4,260.
Okay,
Yes.
4260 and
28, 40. 40.
Okay, then go for capital account. Okay, after this you are going for the capital. Just keep your mind this process, beta. Okay. Name and name,
Prem.
and beta,
Prem.
and frame. First by
Balances.
PD. Get to the capital, beta. The capital of name and fame 50,000 and
40,000.
40,000. Okay. Buy cash. Space is there. We didn't know about the cash. Only space. Okay. Then buy goodwill. Okay, what amount of goodwill is come? Goodwill amount, beta? Goodwill amount?
20,000.
20,000. 20,000 divided by name and claim is 3:2. What amount will come? 12,000 and
8,000.
8,000. Then this loss, this side, 4260, 2840. Now just go to search any reserve, any goodwill, any profit is given in reserve fund. Reserve fund is there. Then buy amount, beta, reserve fund amount
50,000.
50,000. Divided into what? 3:2. What amount will come? What amount will come, beta?
Sir, 20,000, 30,000.
30 and 20, na beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now nothing is there for distributing here. All things distribute. Now going to calculate and take the capital of old partner. Then on the basis of that, we are going to calculate the capital of new partner. Okay, beta? Just 40, 20, 60, 60. 8. Here 80, 90, 92. 92,000 and
68.
8,000. Difference amount, beta, 60, 1, 5, 6. Here 40, 7, 87, 740, 65, 160. It's a balance. Okay, beta? It's a balance. Just see 87, 740 and 65, 160. This came. Now the main process start. It's the old process. Now the main process start for the calculating of new partner capital. Just see how I'm going to calculate. It's a full length math system, beta. Okay. On the basis of one head, we are going to calculate the others. Just see. New partner is coming from 1/3. So, beta, new means frame. Frame is coming from 1/3.
3.
Total is 1, na beta. Total profit is 1. Okay, beta. Total profit is 1. This is coming from 1/3. If we are going to less this 1/3, so 2/3. This is the part of. This is the part of.
Name and claim.
Name, na beta.
Yes.
Clear, beta. Here, frame is coming from 1/3. If whole profit is 1 and we are going to less the part of frame 1/3, the remaining part is related with the name and claim. Is to clear or not? Clear, beta? Just on the basis of this, we are going to calculate the capital. The ratio part of 2/3. Okay. The ratio part of 2/3 and then the capital amount. On the basis of this 2/3, the capital amount is 87, 740 plus 65, 160. Okay, beta? It means 152,900. Okay, beta? 152,900. Clear? This is the ratio of old partner and this is the capital of old partner. Okay, beta? There is a relation here. On the basis of this ratio, 2/5. The capital is 1,52,000. 52,900. So on the basis of 1/3, the frame capital is 1/3 into 1.2900. This is opposite 5/2. 1/3. Then 3/1. Okay. 1 minus 1/3. 2/3. Okay. Here's only insert 5. So for 2/3, the value of capital is 1,52,900. So for 1/3, 1/3 into 1,52,900 into 3/2. That is around 76,450. I think it came 76,450. Yes, 76,450. Then you well know about the capital and on the basis of the entry. So beta, first entry cash account debit to the capital to goodwill 76,450, 20,000, 96,450, and here one. You are doing the other side. Don't find here. Second entry, goodwill account debit to name capital, goodwill amount is 20,000, 12,000, and so beta, here and this cash here is the 76,450. Now this question is complete. After this, we are going to make the balance sheet. Only balance sheet is remain. Okay, beta. Up to this is clear or not? Main thing is here. We are going to first make the revaluation, then make the capital. And by the making of this capital, we are going to calculate what? We are going to calculate the value of capital of old partner, and on the basis of this old partner we are going to calculate the value of capital of new partner. Then we are going to do the increase. The old person is there. Then we are going to make the balance sheet. Okay, just see how we are going to make the balance sheet. Aniket, start liability side. First capital, name and claim, 87,740, 65, 160, 76,450. Okay, beta, up to this is finished. Next, just see reserve fund distributed, creditor is there, creditor value 40,000. It's a 40,000. The total of this amount is 152,900. Just write down here and add. So beta, 5, 3, 1 is remain, 9, nothing remain, 2, 2. So beta, clear? Always try to make the confidence add. So beta, 2, 2, 9. Okay. Anything else? Any liability is coming? The bank account is given, balance sheet total is 2,69,350. That 350,962. This side will come. Okay, it's came now. Go for the next asset side. Cash at bank. cash amount. Here he is coming with the first entry 76 450 and 20. Then 96 450 plus the balance of cash that is given 5,000. Add both. Then 11450 is there. 101,450. Okay. Then next debtors.
Debtor.
Debtor amount, I think 40,000 or 50,000. Sorry, 60,000.
60.
Debtor amount is 60,000 less
Provision.
57,000. Okay, beta. Next, beta. The stock.
Stock.
The stock amount, beta.
35,000.
30.
5,000.
5,000. 35,000 and 5,000, 3,000 stock will reduce the beta. 3,000. Then 32,000. Next, plant and machinery. Amount beta, plant and machinery.
80,000.
80,000 less. Anything is there for plant machinery? 8,000.
72,000.
Depreciation here. Depreciate 72,000. Okay. Then accrued income 900. Just add 3. 1 is remain. 7, 8. This is 7, then 8, 9, 2, 11, and 2. What's coming? Something else is there.
Sir, stock 38,000 होगा ना?
The stock value is? Stock will increase, beta. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Stock will increase. Okay, then 9, 1 is remain, 8, 6, 1 is remain, 1, 1, 2. Now it's 10. Okay, the stock will increase. I will only decrease. Okay, then this is the way by which we are solving the full question. It's a 6 marks question. Okay, it will give you the 6 marks. Clear? Any problem, beta? First, we are going to make the revaluation account. After the making of this revaluation account, we are going to make the capital account. By the capital account, we are going to calculate the value of capital of old partner, and on the basis of ratio, we are going to set the ratio for the old partner and new partner, and on the basis of ratio, we are going to calculate the new partner capital. Okay, beta? Clear?